Hey YouTube, Radio Cam here, and I'm gonna try and trick my friend if he will text me back. So I just texted him, and I just need to see if he will text back again. Oh my gosh. Well, at least I'm gonna try one of my friends. I don't really have much friends. I don't know why, but I was dressed up as a guy because I was tricking people going into the games, acting like I was a guy, and then I'd say, "You guys know it's funny," and then tell them I'm actually a guy. I don't know, I'm just weird like that. Did he really just go into a game? I told him not to. Oh my gosh, of course he did. I guess I could try one of my other friends. Okay, hold on. I'm actually gonna try and text every single one of my friends, especially on Discord. Oh wait, he just typed back. He just typed back. Okay, okay, let's try this. Okay, let's try this. Let's see if I can trick him. He's kind of a slow person to get back to you, but that's fine. Not really if I'm doing a YouTube video though. Okay, I'm gonna go text my other friends while I'm waiting. Okay, was that him? Yeah. Are you too? Oh my god. Sorry if you guys hear background noises. Okay, I need to make up a username. Oh my gosh. Okay. XX. Okay, I got this. Queen Savage XX. Still dating from last night. Okay. Wait. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna tell him I texted him on Discord. No. Oh, never mind. He got it. It says, who is she? You don't okay, I cannot type. Remember. You two were dating. Okay. Okay, if he says real life, I'm gonna have to make up a fake name. And I got rid of the space. Okay, oh my gosh. Look, who the hell is her? Yeah, funny. Just kidding. It's fake anyways. What? She's just gonna ignore me at some point. Okay, He's trying to remember. Okay, hold on. I have to go see. I have to log out real fast and see if I can make an account like that. See if the username is taken. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, okay, I got this. Okay, we got this, guys. Let's see if I can. Oh crap, wrong thing. Let's see if we can make one. No, I'm not joining that call. He said send me the link. Yeah, he probably means to her user. No, I'm not joining that stupid call. Okay. I'll just do this randomly. Yeah, I'll just do it randomly. Okay. 2, 3. What if I did? Oh man. Let's see. I don't know what to put at the end of this. 4, 7, 2, 9. Okay. Yes. We got this, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so rude. No. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm actually gonna go friend my... This is so rude. Look at him. Never mind. Let's not talk about it. Wow. You were just tricked on my team. Oh my gosh, he even knows my YouTube channel. So he could actually go back and look at this video. Shout out to Roblox Assassin Lucas. Alright. I'll see you guys in the next video, and comment down what kind of videos you want me to do. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye, YouTube!